In this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't sign in to Xbox app. First step is you want to come here and search for Microsoft Store, open it up, and in here what you want to do is you want to head over to Library. Then from in here you want to find Xbox, and if you have an update out here, you want to take the update. After you've done that, you can just close it down, and then what you want to do is you want to come here and click on this. If you see Xbox app in here, you want to right click on it and quit, so you make sure it's completely closed. Then once you've done that, you want to come here and search for services. In here, type X, click anywhere and then type X. Come down here and do the same for all 4 of these. So the first one, sets automatic, press start. If it doesn't say running, then you want to press start. Then you want to do it for the next, running, automatic. If it says stopped, you just want to press start, and you want to do it for all 4 of these. Once you've done that, close it down, search for Xbox right here, right click, app settings, come in here, and then what you want to do is you want to press terminate, repair, and reset. Once you've done all of that, restart your PC, and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.